Do you want the power of AI and ChatGPT to help you revolutionize your business operations? Let me introduce you to the blueprint for leveraging AI to automate and streamline business. AI has transformed the entrepreneurial landscape, and now is the perfect time to start or scale a business. The rise of AI technology has created an unprecedented opportunity for existing or would-be business entrepreneurs, but without guidance, this excellent opportunity can soon turn into a disaster. The limitations of a traditional business approach have now been cast aside. The challenges faced by well-informed business owners, such as time constraints, lack of technical expertise, and overwhelming workloads, are the past. Traditional methods struggle to keep up with the pace of change in the modern business environment. Let me introduce you to the ChatGPT Millionaire Blueprint, a different, counterintuitive approach. This game-changing solution to the limitations of traditional business approaches awaits, and, if you act fast, at a fraction of the future cost. You can now obtain the ChatGPT Millionaire Blueprint with a stunning 92% off. This counterintuitive approach breaks the cycle of time and money constraints, fully unleashing the power of ChatGPT and AI. ChatGPT and AI can be leveraged to handle various business tasks, from customer support to social media management. The speed and efficiency of AI-powered automation leaves manual processes standing. The key benefits of the ChatGPT Millionaire Blueprint are a system for rapid business launch and scaling, reclaiming hundreds of work hours, doubling profit margins, and more. The blueprint empowers business owners to spend more time on things they love and with their loved ones. The shocking reality of AI adoption. The average business owner only utilizes 5.8% of ChatGPT's full potential. It is now critical to your success to stay ahead of the curve and not be left behind by competitors who are embracing AI. Forget the guesswork. You now have access to a proven blueprint designed to win. An overwhelming amount of information is available on ChatGPT and AI, which can lead to guesswork and suboptimal results without guidance. The ChatGPT Millionaire Blueprint provides a step-by-step guide and proven prompts to unlock the full potential of these technologies. The key to sustainable business growth. Two core elements of a successful business are the ability to generate revenue and the ability to streamline operations. The ChatGPT Millionaire Blueprint addresses both elements by automating tasks and freeing time for business owners. Mastering the art of competitive advantage. The blueprint helps businesses stand out and win in highly competitive markets by operating at the highest possible level. You cannot underestimate the importance of leveraging AI to gain a competitive edge in today's business landscape. The ChatGPT Millionaire Blueprint in action. To access the ChatGPT Millionaire Blueprint now, click the link in the description below. There, you will see tangible results and examples of the blueprint's transformative impact on small and medium businesses. Take advantage of the limited time offer and get instant access to the ChatGPT Millionaire Blueprint. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee to provide a risk-free opportunity. Just go and take a look now.